channel. It is me by myself today. Well, as you guys know, babes cannot eat certain food, and so I kind of just made this for myself, technically. And you might think that's a little bit selfish, but it's not. Okay, it's really not. Not when you enjoy such food. So on the menu today, we're having some curry crab with some corn, some potatoes, some carrots, and then we have rice and peas. And I have a little bit of cucumber. I'm not sure if you guys could see. Yep, yeah, I got a little bit of cucumber and some tomato. So babe did help me to prepare the food, even though she can't eat it. But she did help me. So kudos to babe for being a trooper. It's say grace off camera, so I'm just gonna start eating. I'm a little bit hungry. The reason why I'm standing and I'm not sitting, I will get into pretty shortly. Mm, 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 mm. God, pork crab is my favorite. I might not know how to eat it, but it's still my favorite. Oh, we do have some corn. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you know, I'm not sure if you do know or not, but if you've been following our Instagram, you would know a little bit. We have been, I'm gonna say, moving around a little bit for the last month. I mean, I don't think it really has been a month. It just feels like a month, but it's been like around 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, a month. So we have been apartment hunting for the last month, and we've also been hotel hopping for the last month. Now, first of all, I try to look at everything as an adventure, and that's how I initially went into this. Also, like, ooh, this might be a cool little adventure. You know what? All right, it was cool. It was, but the adventurous part of it, mm, I'm not too sure that was the kind of adventure I was looking for. I mean, one of the hotels that we stayed at was very nice. It was convenient. Um, it had everything to our comfort. It was pretty decent. It was nice, and I mean, one thing I've learned in the last month, you do meet some characters at hotels or wherever you want to call them at this point in time. But you do meet some interesting people. Now, I know many people might think hotel shady characters and da da da. A lot of people might think that, but that wasn't the case all entirely. You know, you never know a person's circumstances why they are where they're at, right? Not unless you talk to a person. We knew, excuse me, we knew our circumstances why we were there, right? But everybody else is different. You got people who are just coming into town and they haven't found an apartment yet and they're still looking. There are people who lost certain things and really don't really have a choice but to be there. And then you still have your shady characters that's just shady. That's just what that is. But it was interesting because my initial mindset was all shady. What's that? When you don't know, you don't know. But that was the first hotel, and it was nice and it was interesting, and I had fun there. The second one, however, was a referral from somebody, and they made it sound so nice, and it sounded great. So we was like, you know what? If we're really gonna do this, let's just do it. If we hotel happen, we hotel happen. That's what we doing. We went to the second one, and that's where we drew the line. That's when it all ended. It just ruined it. There was no more hotel hopping. It was okay. It's time to go. The second one, yeah, the second one was just. It wasn't given. I want to have an adventure and I want to have fun and I want to, hotel hop. It wasn't giving that. It was giving. Y'all need to go find y'all somewhere and make it pretty quick because this is not the life. And it really wasn't. So, you know what we did? We went and we decided to be grown ups. And we was like, okay. But backstory, we have been apartment hunting, but I'm gonna be honest with you, we are very picky. I was unfortunate, but we are extremely picky people. And we looked at maybe like three or four. I think I'm gonna say three or four. And we would like certain things about them and then dislike other things. So it's like it was never fully coming together. And price wise, I'm not sure what the hell is going on, but price wise, apartments are super expensive. Not sure what these landlords are thinking that people are making in the streets, but you might want to go do some research because paychecks have not risen in years. So they need to get the price under control, like for real, for real. But we did look like three or four and didn't like them. But I don't know how they found this one. So, guys, describe it so good. Forgive me. Okay. So, I think Babe was up one night. She doesn't sleep. It's a funny story. You never met a person that even when they're tired, they don't sleep? That's her. Right there. She could be up for 3 days straight. Babe, you tired? Nope. She's still up. So she found it one night. She was up and couldn't sleep. And we ended up having a showing, getting a tour. And the person was really, really nice. And paranoia is a trip, but the person was really, really nice. And then Babe goes. So Babe started telling me about something she saw on the news. Now, granted, this is a person who does not even watch the news on a regular basis. I want y'all to keep that in mind. Okay? So here she goes. Babe, you know what I saw on the news the other day? I said, what? She's like, you know, they have a whole bunch of realtor people going around stealing people's money and stuff, saying that they're renting places and they're not really renting the places. Now I'm standing there looking at her like, we got this nice ass place and this is what you thought of in this moment. Right now. Right here. Okay. Anyways, we ended up liking it. It was the only spot that we actually fully, really, really, really liked. We ended up liking it. The area was really nice. It was super quiet. It was very private. And the neighbors seemed very isolated, which fits right in. So we ended up liking it, and We applied for it, we got it, and this is the reason why I'm standing right here right now. So we don't have any chairs at the moment. We pretty much have nothing. Yeah, we pretty much have nothing currently at the moment. I mean, yeah, we're slowly getting stuff back together a little bit. See, I told y'all I can't eat this, but I love it. But we are slowly getting things back together. I know it might take a little while, but I think this adventure I'm actually enjoying because it brings in like a fresh air and a renewed energy, I might say, for life, for living. Because I mean, after hotel hopping and adventuring and meeting different people and stuff like that who are not doing the best of the best, but making the best of the best, it's very humbling and also motivating in some senses. So it was a great adventure for me, spiritually and mentally and emotionally. It was a good experience. I don't regret it, and I would do it again. Maybe at different hotels. No, the first one I would go back to. I would really go back to the first one, but the second one no. But maybe at different hotels. But I wouldn't just do it for hotel hopping purposes. I just think it's more of the humbling experience that you get from it. You know, just acknowledging that people are going through a lot of things these days, and it's not a fault of their own, technically. You know, shit happens, life happens, and we deal with it the best way we know how. So, you know, it was everything for me. And then to finally get here and be here, knowing that we can, it was a grateful moment and an appreciative moment. And still, you know, it still leads you to think about everybody else and hoping and wishing that everybody else is doing good and, you know, making their way through and all of that good stuff. But I mean, you learn a lot with lessons like these. I think you learn a lot. You see people who are around you, or you don't see them. I don't know. It goes both ways at this point. So it's definitely, it was fun. It was definitely fun. We're here right now and we're empty. I would love to give you all a tour, but it's a very empty apartment. We have a fridge and we have a stove and a microwave. And yeah, that's as far as it goes right now. Yeah, but we're loving it. It's another adventure. We've closed one door and we opened another one. So looking forward to this one. And I will be back once a week. I will be eating with you guys once a week and talking with you guys once a week. Yeah, for the most part, I think that's what's new right now. I hope you guys have been doing awesome and doing well and staying healthy. And please continue to do so. So I do want to thank you guys for eating with me today. I did enjoy the crab and the rice and peas and the veggies also. I know you guys didn't see me eat the veggies, but I did. I had a tomato. Just in case. But thank you guys always for watching. Thank you guys for always supporting us. Please give the video a like and a thumbs up. Is it a thumbs up? Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys, and see you next time.